Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Charge the Barracuda X and use a rear USB port for stable bandwidth. Plug the Razer USB-C dongle into the PC because front ports or hubs can introduce latency or dropouts. Power on the headset and hold the pairing button until the LED blinks. That tells you the dongle and headset are negotiating a connection. Once done, Windows should detect a new USB audio device. Make sure to set it as your default playback and recording device in sound settings so the mic registers. You now configure Windows so the mic performs reliably. Open Sound Settings and select Razer Barracuda X as your default input. This tells apps where to get audio. Adjust input volume around 80 to 90% to avoid clipping while keeping sensitivity. Next, disable exclusive mode so multiple apps can access the mic, and open device properties to access levels and enhancements. Turn off unnecessary enhancements to prevent processing artifacts. Once done, test with the Windows mic test and watch the input meter move while you speak naturally. You finish by fine-tuning and knowing how to troubleshoot. Install Razer Synapse when possible to set mic gain, side tone, and noise reduction because those controls shape clarity and background suppression. If the mic still fails to register, replug the dongle, switch to another USB port, or reinstall USB audio drivers to rule out driver conflicts. For static or noise, toggle Windows mic enhancements and test the headset on a second PC to determine if the issue is hardware. If it is, contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.